but look at all these midges.
You see the fucking loads of little bugs about, aren't there?
Yep. Horrible things. That's why you have to come out of the caravan with your helmet and your visor down ready to go. Horrible things. Anyway, let's go.
Got nothing. I can't. Have you got signal?
Not here, ain't no.
No, I've got nothing, so I can't use my sat nav.
Oh.
I'm up.
So, morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Obviously, we've already ventured out this morning. The road's pretty boring, so I didn't record any of that. And it's actually not as sunny as it has been. I'm still not complaining because it's not actually raining, but yeah, it's been a little bit nippy this morning, so hopefully the sun does come out. Anyway, as you can see, we had a bit of a stop off at the Green Welly stop. If you've never been here before, it's just basically a sort of small petrol station with a little gift shop and a cafe. It's alright, it's nothing amazing, nothing special. It's sort of just a little stop off really. It is actually quite popular with bikes. I mean, it's still quite early yet, but yeah, I think it's quite a popular bike stop. So if you're on your bike, this is one of them places to go, I believe. Anyway, plan after today. We was going to go and do a skylift up at Glencoe, I think it was Glencoe, or we're going to do a skylift of some sort. But because, as you can probably tell, the clouds ain't looking in our favour today, we're going to give that a miss. But we're now heading for the road at Skyfall, James Bond. Skyfall was filmed on. As soon as Eric and Stuart turn back up, we'll be on our way. So we finally found Stuart and Eric. We are now en route to the, I can't actually remember, I think it's called Evian Road or Evian Pass or something like that it's called. I'll put it on the screen because I can't remember what it's called, but look at that! That is absolutely stunning. This is the problem with vlogging in Scotland. The scenery is just too good. I get so distracted. And the roads as well. And it's getting sunny again. How cool does that look? I am looking the right way, by the way. I'm just making sure you can see that hill. That is amazing. Look at that. Oh, this place is magical, honestly. One thing that will put you off about Scotland though is if you thought about getting a GS, don't come to Scotland. Everybody who comes to Scotland seems to be on a GS, and that's no exaggeration. Literally, I'd say a good 80 to 85% of the bikes in Scotland, visitors or not, have GS's, and it's like really puts you off buying one because everybody's got a GS. If anything, it's actually made me appreciate my XR a little bit more because it's a little bit different. I've only seen one other of this bike here, and I've actually really enjoyed having this bike in Scotland. It's been absolutely phenomenal. You know, it's comfortable to get to Scotland, 415 miles to get from my house to the caravan. Absolutely fine, didn't cause me any problems, weren't uncomfortable. I looked last night after day 2 and I've done another 485 miles while I've been in Scotland. It's been extremely good fun miles as well, so you know, I'll be honest with you, I can't, I'm struggling to warrant paying like 24 grand or whatever it's going to be for a GS, but you know, we'll see. I'll never say never, but right this second I am so sick of seeing GS's. I've probably seen more GS's in Scotland than I have in a BMW dealership. Plans have changed, ladies and gents. We are now going to do the ski lift because, well, just look at it. It is absolutely stunning, and it'd be criminal not to. So let's get up to the old ski lift and have a look at some of these sights. absolutely disgusting, isn't it? Can't think, why would I be doing this on a Monday, hey? Anyway, let's get up and parked. So me and Eric have finished on the stair lift. We've made it to as high as the stair lift will go anyway. The rest of the guys stayed down at the bottom somewhere. They didn't want to come up, but we weren't going to miss this opportunity because look at this. Look at that. What?
We should go there.
You want to go up there?
Yeah.
Fucking really?
Because we don't come here often, do we?
Don't come. I've never been here,
Exactly.
and I don't particularly usually go climbing in motorbike gear.
Wow.
Well, actually, I do. Actually, when I come away with you, like I do. I always go fucking climbing somewhere.
Yeah.
But yeah, well, we'll give it a go. We'll give it a go, and then I'll let you find something to put the drone up. So
I think we don't have to go all the way up there, but
no, we'll see how far we get. Just look at the sort of stuff we're having to walk along here. Look, that's like just makeshift walkways and. But oh, looks safe, doesn't it? Jesus, that's quite pretty though. So I'm going to be honest, we're not even halfway, and I'm already flagging. What I am wearing all this clobber. That's the whole point of getting a drone, isn't it? Or a drone. Just send that up. Just going anywhere with Eric. He wants to fucking do stupid things. Anyway, we carry on. Sit rep. Me and Eric are both, excuse the language, but fucked. But we push on, like he said. I don't really know why. We have a discussion though. If we do fall down the hill, at least we're fully protected with armour. So, yeah, swings and roundabouts, I suppose. Silver line and all that. Anyway, let's carry on.
it's only there.
You keep saying it's only there. Every time you say it's only there, you keep pointing at the fucking high one.
Somebody's coming.
Oh, it's only there. It's only there. Wow.
Right.
Scenery's nice, isn't it?
You on the ski lift, are ya? Off.
Right. It's only there, as he keeps saying. Let's go.
Down the hill.
So, we've made it to the top somehow. We're both high, proper blowing. But
I'll do one push.
go on, do a push up, yeah. Do one push up, well done. Smart ass. Right, I'm gonna get breath back and then I'm gonna send the drone up because I'll put it with me. Why not? I might as well just send it up before me come up here, but still, we'll send it up. Yeah. So, made it down the hill. We're going to claim that we've climbed Ben Nevis in motorbike gear. It's not Ben Nevis, but it's good as.
You can see it.
We're in Scotland. We climbed a mountain / hill. And we're calling it Ben Nevis. In Levers.
0.2.
Yeah, Ben Nevis 0.2. There you go. Yeah, really enjoyed that. Actually, really glad I've done it. So.
And
cheers.
I've done push-ups.
And he's done some push-ups. Clearly, yeah. I don't know why, but he's done some push-ups to prove a point.
Because I don't think anyone's done it. World's record.
So yeah, so now I'm gonna go back down to the bikes, get a drink, because I'm really thirsty, hopefully cool down, and carry on to the Skyfall road.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See you next time.
See you in a bit. This is the road that Skyfall, that James Bond film, was recorded.